Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Suraj Hacks. So today we are going to talk about return statement and something more about functions. So let's start the video. Let's first go to the JavaScript folder which I have made, and let's check the script.js first. So you can see that in the last tutorial I've taught you about parameterized functions and reading functions. So first in this video I'm going to show you first that how we call a function from HTML page. For that we need to add a form. That's a quite easy one. Okay, first sorry, we need to just go here and make a form in the body section. Sorry, form. So in the form we have to make a form. Let's make input type is equal to text, then value click me. On click I taught you in the second lecture. Let's write here Suraj. So this is how you create a form. So all of you might be knowing about form, and in this form what I have done is I have created a we can say a box in which a form in which there will be input type text and the value will be click me, and on click it will be refer to Suraj function. So let's go to the JS file and let's change its name to Suraj. Sorry, Suraj, and let's remove this because it is I have not made it a parameterized function. And here I'll print my name is dive into tech. Let's see whether it's working or not. Let's save it. Let's open it into Chrome. So you can see that here is a click me type. When I click on it, it changes to my name is dive into tech. Let's refresh it and show you once again. Here it shows click me, and when I'll click on it, it will change to dive into tech. Sorry, it will print my name is dive into tech. So you can see that when on clicking it changes to my name is dive into tech. One thing I have not shown you guys is that we can also use alert here. What alert does, it's gives out output in a alert format. You might have seen that while you are doing something and suddenly a pop-up occurs saying that you cannot go further. So that is an alert tab. Let me show you. So you can see that click me. When I click on it, it shows my name is David Tutek. So this is how you can create an alert. So I think I've done with the functions. Now let me show something about return function. What is a return type? One thing I've missed that in the script we have to write type also, that is text slash JavaScript. Let's check once again. So you can see that it's working. Now we'll be talking about some of the return types. So you can see that in the let me first remove this because I don't need this anymore. Okay, now in the Suraj function you can see that this alert my name is dive into tech. Let me remove it first, and here I'll write return dive into tech, and let me just call that Suraj. So while you write this, you have to make sure that whatever you are writing while calling a function, you have to make that a statement so that when the compiler reads it, it can print something. So this is how you can print out Suraj function because it is returning dive into tech. Let me just compile and see. So you can see that there is no output because I have made a mistake, and the mistake is that the function, while calling a function, I've used the semicolon inside it, which I have to use it outside. Let's save it and check once again. So you can see that now it is returning dive into tech. So this was return statement. So if you like this video guys, subscribe my channel and subscribe to my playlist because I'll be making more such videos. So thank you guys for watching this video.